All right, folks, I'm pretty excited about this video I'm going to do here on this little scooter here. So this is a higher end portable scooter because it has a little more weight capability, a little more distance. This is called the Golden Technology Buzzaround CarryOn Scooter. The model number is the GB120. So again, it says the Buzzaround CarryOn Scooter GB120. So I'm going to turn the power on here real quick and move it forward a little bit. So this scooter here has a 300-pound weight capability, and it has a total distance on one battery charge. This is a lithium battery of 18 miles, which is a lot. 18 miles on one battery. That's what makes this one a little bit different. Also this scooter here has a top speed of 3.6 miles an hour, and the total weight of the scooter without the seat and without the battery pack is 47.5 pounds. So let me show you that right now, how to, then we're going to cover the rest of the scooter, how you can carry the scooter. So if you want to take the seat off of the scooter, you just fold it down. There's a yellow lever right under here. Pull the yellow lever up right here, as you can see. That's the yellow lever. You hold it up and the seat comes out. And the seat doesn't weigh anything. I'm going to put it down over here. This is your tower for your seat. There's a little lever here. See this round knob? There's one on each side. Pull it forward. Well, before you do that, if you're going to carry it without your battery, right here's your battery pack. There's a place that says push. So if you push here, the whole battery comes out, and that's about 5-6 pounds right here, maybe less. So your battery pack is here, and then you would fold your seat down all the way down, and then right here what you would do is you would take your basket off. The basket comes right off, and then right here there's a yellow handle right here. You have to squeeze it upward pretty hard. Then you bring this all the way down to here. Matter of fact, you can probably go down some more. There you go. And that right here is about 13 inches. 12 to 13 inches in height, okay? And when you carry the scooter, you can raise it up like this, and you can carry it on its own back tip wheels right there. And you can see the motor for the scooter right here, direct drive to the wheels. And you can see the back wheels are 7 inches, and they're fairly wide, which is really good for these small scooters. So these are really wide wheels. In the front, they're 6-inch wheels. They're a little more narrow, but the back wheel's where all your weight is, okay? So this portion right here, this scooter has 4 handles. There's one here, and you can see there's one here, and there's one on this side, and there's one right under here, okay? So the total weight of this scooter right now, the way it is there, if I was to lift it in one piece, is 47.5 pounds, okay? 47.5 pounds. So you really need 2 people to lift it, or a strong person, okay? So that's how I would carry right here. And if you want to put it in neutral, there's a little lever here, and you can put it in neutral right there, but you don't have to do that because you just carry it this way. So let's put the tiller back up, the seat back up. We're going to drop the battery back in, okay? And by the way, this scooter here, if you want to charge the battery in your home, there's a battery port right there. So you can take the battery pack inside your house and leave the scooter, and you can charge it right there with your little charger that comes with the lithium charger that comes with lithium battery pack. So this goes back in here, and you push it in, it locks in automatically. When you put the seat back on, you just put the male piece right in here, hold the yellow lever up, release it, and it's locked in place. Put your basket back on. Okay. Now we're going to turn the key back on. So if your scooter's ever blinking, just reset the key. Turn the key off, turn the key back on. Whenever you take the battery out, you put it in neutral, it'll always blink. So you just have to turn the key back on. Turn the key off, turn the key back on. So again, this scooter has a 300-pound weight capability. The seat on this scooter, the manual says that we got what it says it was 15 inches, but when I put my tape measure on it, I'm getting 17 inches from outside to outside of the seat. In the back to the front, I'm getting roughly 14 inches. So I'm getting 17 by 14. So I'm going by what the measurement of my tape measure is right here. So it's 17 wide, about 14 deep, okay? And the back does fold down. The back does not go back anymore. You cannot adjust this back, so that's the way it is. The arms do go back when you want to get out, okay? Now let's look at the front on this scooter here. So there's a drink cup holder right here for your drink right there. You can see it. You also have on here, you have lights. So if you look at the lights on the scooter, these are great lights. You can see the LED lights right here, and you can see the light in the back. So you have headlights, and they light up really well. You can see the wall right there. It lights up right against the wall, okay? You also have on the front of this tiller, I'm gonna put it back here so you can see. This is your button for your light right here. I'm gonna turn those off. You have a horn. And you have an LED display right here telling you how your batteries are doing. You have green, orange, and red. When the batteries are full, you're gonna have all the green lights on, the orange lights, and the red lights. You lose your light one at a time as your batteries are being used, okay? So it tells you a battery, how much battery life you have. You have a real nice grip, non-skid grip right here. They have like really good grips. This is your forward, and this side is your reverse. Now, if you want to go reverse, you can also do it from this side by pushing this forward like this. That'll go reverse. So if you have one hand, you can drive this scooter with just one hand. You have a speed dial over here. You can go from slow to top speed. Again, it's 3.6 miles an hour. Hi, a couple more things about this scooter. We were talking about the tiller right here. You also have over here a USB port right there. USB port, this so you can charge your phone right there. And right here, right under here is where you charge your scooter. So if you're going to keep it in one piece and you want to charge it, your port for your charger, the plug for your charger plugs right under here where my finger is right there. There's a little cap right there to shut it off, okay? So your charger comes with your scooter. Again, this scooter, the length of this scooter from back to front is 38 inches. So it's 38 inches from back to front, 38 inches. The width of the scooter, they're saying in the manual, it's 19 inches. So from here to this wheel is 19 inches. But folks, remember, your arms are at 21 and a half. So what's the width of the scooter? Well, I usually go by the arms because if you get the bottom in, but the arms don't go through the door, you're in trouble, okay? So the width of the scooter is 19 inches at the base, but with the seat on, it's 21 and a half inches, okay? This scooter has a 300-pound weight capability. As I mentioned earlier, it has a seat that's 17 wide by roughly 14 deep. The arms do flip up. The wheel in front is 6 inches. The back wheel is 7 inches, but it's a little bit wider. It has a total distance of 18 miles with this lithium battery. Now, a lot of people ask me, can I take this on an airplane? This battery is too big to go in an airplane. They sell another battery. It's about half the size of this one. Same battery pack, a little less lithium battery, 6.5 size battery. That one you can take on an airport. So if you're going to buy the scooter, you want to go to airports with it, you either have to have both batteries. The extra battery to go through airport would be a smaller battery. It still fit in there. That you would have to pay extra cost for that. Or when you order the scooter, you can just tell us which battery you want, the small one or the large one. There may also be a cost associated for that, but we'll let you know. So this scooter is approved for airline transportation if you have the smaller battery pack. This one here comes with a large battery pack that gives you 18 miles on the battery charge, okay? So again, this is the Golden Technology Buzzaround CarryOn Scooter, the GB120 scooter. Another thing about this scooter, it has a 4-inch ground clearance. Very, very few scooters, small scooters like this, have a ground clearance of 4 inches. That's a lot of ground clearance right here. Also, the total weight of this scooter is about 65.5 pounds, 65.5 pounds. So if you take the seat off, you take the battery off, you fold everything down, take the basket off, you've got the base, which I showed you earlier, is 47. So folks, if you want a really nice little scooter and you want something portable with a decent sized seat, with decent distance, with ground clearance, super headlights and tail lights, and a great tiller and great drain cup holder, and it comes with a flag, and it comes with the basket, and it comes with a cup holder. This is the Buzzaround by Golden Technology GB120. This is a really, really nice little scooter. Also, one more thing, your neutral lever on this scooter, I'm going to shift it this way so you can see. If you want to put the scooter in neutral, you see right now it's in gear, okay? There's a little button right there. Make sure your key is off. Turn the power off, and if you hit this button right here, okay, now you're in neutral, okay? Then put it back in gear when you're done, because if it's not in gear, then turn your key back on. So that's where your neutral is, and you have tip wheels back there, as you can see, to keep you safe. So if you want a really nice little scooter, I know this video is kind of backward a little bit, but I think I'm giving you enough information. And the tiller, again, you can adjust it to any position you want just by pushing this yellow lever down or up. And so, real nice little scooter. So this is the Buzzaround CarryOn GB120 scooter. It comes with a flag. I don't know where you would put the flag, but it comes with a flag. Matter of fact, I'm going to put the flag right here for now. Top speed 3.5 miles an hour, and you have a lot of leg room with this one. So a lot of them you got to be like this. This one you can actually put your feet all the way up to here like this if you wanted to, which is what I like to do. And this is solid. This is not built. So this scooter is a lightweight, but it's built very, very solid. Okay. So let's go over here with it. Drive it around a little bit. So if you were going to turn a circle, complete circle, this is your turning radius. That's the best you can do right there. So it does go in the grass, but it has to be pretty nice cut grass, okay? So this is the Buzzaround by Golden Technology, the GB120. Total weight capability of this scooter is 300 pounds. The seat that I measured with my tape measure was 17 wide by about 14 deep. The back does not adjust. It's just, it sits the way it is right here. The arms flip up. The scooter is 38 inches long by 19 wide at the base, but the arms are 21.5 inches, okay? You have the headlights, the tail lights, you have the carry handles. As I said, if you take the battery out, take the seat off in the basket, your total weight at the base with 12-inch high is about 47 inches. If you lift the whole scooter the way it is now, it's about 65 pounds total weight. It does come with airline. This scooter has right now the large battery pack inside. If you're going to take this on an airline, you need the smaller battery pack. You have to order that either when you order it new. If you order a second battery for airline, that might cost you. You might have to pay for that battery for the airline transportation. So this is the Golden Buzzaround CarryOn scooter with solid tires. Just a great, great little scooter. Hi, I'm Mark.
And my name is Alex. We're co-owners of Marc's Mobility.
I started this company in 1995.
We sell many products, not just what you see in this video. If you have any questions or concerns, please call us at the number below at 800-677-6293. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.